Vishnu.
Okay, so in this last class, we have learned about the enterprise structure. Enterprise structure in an SAP is like the blueprint of the company inside the system. Means whatever the physical unit in this world, we need to map it out into our computer in our system. It's just like a world is divided into countries, state, district, and buildings. So these are the building blocks of the world. So we do the similar things. SAP breaks down a company into different levels to manage the business activities. So what are the key elements of this enterprise structures? The first one is client. We can understand the client as the biggest company or a group like uh, Tata Group, Reliance Group. These are the biggest wizards that have many many small companies as a partners of it, like Reliance as Reliance Clothing, Reliance Trends, Reliance Telecommunication, Reliance Power. So client is the highest level, like the entire company group. We can consider it as a head office of our entire organization. And the second element is our company code. Company code is the legal entity that represents reports for that is used for the reporting purposes, mainly for the accounting and reporting. We can consider it as our company has different branches in India and USA. So each is a separate company code. Uh, Tata USA and Tata India. These are two different company codes of Tata Group, that is a client. Now we come to our third element, that is plant. A plant is a place where materials are produced, stored, or from where goods are distributed. Means it is the place where actual activities are performed, whether the activity of producing, whether the activity of storing, whether the activity of distributing. This can be if the plant is producing something, then in production PP module, this is considered as plant, where it is it means production plant, storage plant. Okay, means the plant is the place where materials are produced, stored, or distributed. For example, a factory, a warehouse, or even a large office with inventory can be considered a plant. The fourth unit is storage location. Storage location is nothing but a small part of the plant where materials are actually physically stored. We can consider this example like uh, different rooms of in our house where different things are stored. So these are storage locations. The fifth one is purchasing organization. Purchasing organization, mainly we can consider it as a buying department, which that orders supplies for all offices. Like it is a purchasing department that handles all the purchasing activities, like negotiating with vendors, finalizing the prices, discussing the delivery dates, and like all these things. The sixth element is purchasing group. The purchasing group is a group of people responsible for buying certain materials. Like for example, in the purchasing department, this team is responsible for buying electronics items, and this team is responsible for buying mechanical items. So these two teams can be considered as our purchasing groups under the purchasing organizations. The purchasing organizations can be of different types, like company code specific purchase organization, plant specific purchase organization. Company code specific purchase organization means uh, this purchasing organization is related to only one company code, and it is doing the purchasing activities only for this company code. One company code can have multiple purchasing organization. Similarly, plant specific company purchasing organization is related to a specific plant, and doing the purchasing all the purchasing activities only for that particular plant. So these are two purchasing organizations. Now A client can have multiple company codes. A company code can have multiple plants. A plant can have multiple storage locations. So this is the one to many relation in here. Each purchasing group can handle different categories that I told you, that one is buying electronics items and one is buying mechanical items. So we can consider, I'm giving you one example for real life like this. Our company is, for example, if there is a company like Tata Global, so we can consider it as a client. Now Tata Global has two or three companies. We whatever we say in our language, like companies that are in actual company codes, like for example Tata Motors, Tata Electronics, TCS, Tata Consultancy. So these are three different company codes. Now comes to third part, like Tata Consultancy has three warehouses. Sorry, Tata Manufacturing has three warehouses. Tata Motors, like one warehouse is in Gurgaon, Manesar, and one is in Manesar. Uh, one in Manesar, one is second one is at another place. So one company code or one branch can have different locations to store or produce the products. Now, for example, Manesar plant is storing the cars, storing its car accessories at three different locations: room A, room B, room C. So these are three different storage locations. Now coming to purchasing organizations, for example, Tata Motors, only one purchasing organization uh, that can buying for the Manesar plant. So that is specific for that is called plant specific purchasing organization, that is buying only for the Manesar plant. But if any purchasing organization, for example, purchasing organization number two, this purchasing organization is doing all the procurement for total Tata Motors. So this is uh, Tata Motors. So this is company code specific plant, whether the plant is located at Manesar, whether the plant is located at Delhi. So this is this purchase organization number two. This purchase organization doing the procurement activities for all the plants. Means this is related to only the company code. And doing the recap of all this class, I can make you understand, like client is the whole organization, company code is legally independent unit, plant is a factory or warehouse, storage location is a specific physical area, and purchasing organization is the team that does the buying, and purchasing group is the person or group that is assigned to buy certain items.
Okay.